Hi, Tom Hughes here, and last week I visited Hampton Conservatories, and boy are these guys practicing lean at a high level. Check this out. So that's where I used to live?
Yeah.
And this is Willie here showing me his improvements. That's some difference. All my life. Up off the floor. And that's her for tonight. My life. That is class. And look at this.
This is the cover of the minute. This is the workstation.
Uh-huh.
I added this turntable at the bottom.
Oh, that is amazing. Look at that.
Because I couldn't get into the back.
Aye, you're hulking about in the back of it all the time.
So I'm just spinning it around now. It's ready for then all the tools in here.
Unbelievable. And this was not rehearsed. This is how it is all the time.
It is all the time.
Wow.
Jeez,
Wally, that's incredible, mate. Even how you're doing that.
Yeah.
And what are those numbers on there?
That's the screw size. And then there's the red station, there's the red area. And then 04, red 04 is this area. So that's all the screw sizes on there. On there as well. So I've been missing a plane. A couple of bars is playing, it's machine down. So William knows we don't say yes time around the plane's missing. That's exactly what I'm packing.
Tell you what, it's one of the nicest areas I've seen in a wood shop in my life. Willie, incredible stuff.
Thank you. So
There's one more. So this was fed up with the dust on the computer. So that's the shop front. Simple as class. I just want to show you the level of detail. Safety, same screw system as the others. Look, no gaps in Kaizen foam. Beautiful gambadots, obviously. All our cleaning materials and seals material. Look at that Kanban setup for your runners. Not a gap, not a gap. This is just beautiful. Look at the detail. It's insane. Privileged to be here. Every square inch. It makes me smile.